Welcome everyone. Today we have Rovan 5 ELT. It's a 1.5 scale. So we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see what's inside. Let's go and play. We have the three parts. We have the front parts and upper parts. So let's see how we can remove the body. Look at the size. It's massive. We have here Max 5 200 amp. Motor is 800 kV, right? 760 kV. 760 kV. It's a Hobbywing G2 sensor motor. Wow, what is this? Open it. I think here the battery tray, right? It's a huge for the battery for us. Connector banana? No.
XT150.
XT150. Oh, okay. Battery is 6200 from Rovan. Stock battery. So let's get ready. Okay, battery is ready. This is the RTR version. What is the pinion gear size? It's 13 or 14?
I think it's not written.
Let's count it. So
I think it's more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20. So 20. Okay. So here's the body. Amazing color. Okay, transmission from Rovan. So let's check. Plenty of power. Servo is 75 kg. So let's try it on the desert, on the sand. Fixing the body. Okay, other side. Okay, first run, test the servo. This is the new LT in another color, but this is with the Hobbywing G2. So we're gonna see the difference right now. Okay. Here we are, paddle tire. Here's the paddle tire. Okay, so we're gonna have a race, a quick race. The Black Robin has an RTR version with 760 kV and 200 amp Hobbywing, the RTR version. The white one is 250 kV, 250 amp and 800 kV. So we're gonna test it for short distance. It's almost 60 meters. Okay, on my mark, huh? 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Close. I think the white one is one. One more time! Ready? On my mark, 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, the kit version. The kit one.
I think it was maybe 800 kV. That one is 760 kV. Plus the ESC for the kit or the white one is 250 amp. So obviously you're gonna win. Now we're gonna check the temperature.
I can still keep my hand. It's not that hot. Osama? Wait.
Checking temperature. Hot?
A little bit warm. Here it's okay. Still.
Has a fan? Motor has a fan? Motor has a fan? Is there any fan? Fan. There is a fan. It's very hot.
Okay, now I'll run my
Freestyle.
freestyle.
Okay guys, thanks for watching my channel and stay tuned for more videos. See you.